Welcome back, viewers. Today we will be testing the Elliott wave oscillator signals. But before we do, if you have not watched the first video on the channel and all the videos after that, you need to go do that now. Here at the Academy of Forex, we are building the best trading system possible as a team. And as a team, we will all profit from it when we are done. You can find a link to the first video down below in the description, and you should also see it pop up in the top corner right now. There is also a link down below to sign up for TradingView. You can save a little bit of money if you use the link below to sign up for your account. You can also find a link below to join us on Discord. Discord is a free group communication platform where we are having great discussions about all things to do with trading. Lastly, if you would like a list of all the indicators we have tested along with their win rates, but you aren't interested in watching all the videos on the channel, you can sign up for our $9 Patreon, and you will receive the complete list of indicators. We also would like to introduce our Patreon exclusive Discord channel. As a $9 Patreon, you will be invited to join an exclusive Discord channel where we will give you a list of winning indicators and links for the MT platform, give you winning strategies, post trade ideas, give advanced advice, and much more. So click the link below to join our Patreon. Alright, as I said, today we will be testing the Elliott wave oscillator signals. Before we do though, I wanted to put the indicator scoreboard up for everyone to see. So to date, we have tested 336 indicators, and out of those 336 indicators, 136 of them have been winners, which means that they have met or exceeded the 60% win-loss ratio threshold that we have set for them. The best ones so far were able to achieve a 100% win rate. Now you need to go back and watch those videos to understand the context of how they were able to achieve that. But as we are working on building the best trading system possible, you can take any one of those 136 indicators and get out there and start potentially profitably trading the markets with them now. So we'll go back and watch those videos, make a list of those indicators, and get out there and see what you can do with them. But stick with us here as we work on maximizing your trading profits. Also, to date, we have tested 16 different strategies as well. And so I'm not sure off the top of my head how many of those were winners, but I will go through, tally that up, and start displaying that also on the scoreboard here. So, all right, back to today's indicator. So today's indicator is the Elliott wave oscillator signals. And you can see it here on screen. Might be a little difficult to see, but you can see these dots here, these little arrows, flags, tags, whatever you want to call them. The green ones will be a signal to go long, and the red ones will be a signal to go short. Pretty simple, not a whole lot to it. Let's go ahead and get on with the testing and see what we can get out of it. So it looks like we pick up our first signal right there. It's going to be a long signal. And pretty quickly, we can see that price reverses on us, continues downward, and stops us out. Pick up a short signal right here on this side. Does appear as though that one is going to get us to take profit. Yes, it does. So let's continue on with it here. Over here on this side, we're going to pick up a long signal right there. Looks like we might have squeezed out take profit. We did. Pick up a short right here. Played it forward a little bit just to see what it would do. And again, pretty quickly, we hit a pivot and price takes off in the opposite direction. There we go. And you can see that that long gets us to take profits. And we'll continue on here. Pick up a short right here. I don't know if we quite got to take profit. Really close. Looks like we got it just by a couple pips. And then right here, we pick up a long, and that one climbs up nicely, getting us to take profit. Short here, that one's not going to work out too well. Get stopped out pretty quick. Oop, how'd I jumped a couple candles there? Get stopped out pretty quickly as we pick up a long signal right there. But then almost immediately, we also pick up a short right there, which would have canceled out that long. And then finally a long signal right there, which would have climbed up, getting us to take profit. So, all right, what I'm going to do now is go ahead and cut some of the video out here so that way it doesn't get too long. And we'll pick this up when we're a little bit closer to the end of the year. All right, so we are almost to the end of the year now. Let's go ahead and finish out these last couple of signals here. Looks like this thing goes a little bit spastic here. And right there, that's going to finish out the end of the year. All right, before we tally these up, now would be a good time to say that if you are interested in excelling your trading knowledge, whether you are a new trader or an experienced trader, highly recommend that you join our Patreon-only channel on our Discord server. You can find a link to our Patreon down below. Once you sign up for that, you'll have access to the Patreon-only channel on the Discord server. It's really super cheap, doesn't cost hardly anything at all. On the Patreon-only channel, we're posting some really good advanced information, topics, discussions, and stuff like that. Our admin Jay has put together a rather lengthy list of the winning indicators for the MT platforms, and so if you use the MT platforms quite a bit, that could help you out a lot to get your hands on that list. Our admins and the members of the Discord channel are also posting regular, almost daily trade analysis. They're posting really good screenshots of areas that they are entering, their entries and exits, and take profit, the whole deal there. Really, really good stuff. You're trying to train your eye to see those ideal market conditions to take really decent profits, or if you're trying to dial in a trading strategy, like I said, it's really, really decent stuff. They're growing small accounts rather quickly, and so a lot of benefit in joining the patron group and getting access to the Patreon only channel. All right, so back to the indicator here. Let's squeeze everything in here, back everything up to about right there. All right, let's count these out, see what we get. So we have 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15, 16, 17, 18, 19, 20, 21, 22, 23, 24, 25, 26, 27, 28, 29, 30, 31, 32, 33, 34, 35, 36, 37, 38, 39, 40, 41, 42, 43, 44, 45, 46, 47, 48, 49, and 50. And even 50. All right. So we have 50 trades altogether. And we have 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, and 14 winning trades. And so that's definitely not going to meet the 60% criteria. This thing was just throwing a lot of crazy signals, really taking a lot of losing trades, like right in consolidating areas, like you saw right here at the very end of the year. This consolidation right here just absolutely destroyed on losing trades. And you see it again, it happened right here, and again back here, just these clusters of crazy losing trades. So yeah, not a great indicator, not standalone anyways. And so this one's definitely going to go on the no list, and we'll move on to the next indicator from here. If you have not already, like this video, share this video, comment below, and subscribe to the channel. Also turn on the bell notification so that way you are notified anytime I post a new video. so that way you know what indicators we have tested and are testing. Also, there is a link down below to join our Discord server, which is a free group communication platform where we discuss all things trading related. There is also a link down below to TradingView, and if you use that link to TradingView to sign up for an account, you will save a little bit of money. And lastly, there is a link down below to sign up for Patreon. Please sign up for the Patreon and support the channel the best way you can.